Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have for you an Xmax 125. Let's have a little walk around for this one. This is a 2024 model, done 9,500 miles. It is pre-loved, so it does have a couple of little marks on it which we will go through. So looking at the front end, we've got that nice, quite aggressive X there for the daytime running lights and headlights. Front mudguard, all good. All in there, all lovely. Tyre okay. Coming around the side here, got a couple of little marks on the wheels, as you can see here. Probably it's had a tyre change, I would imagine. A couple of little stone chips, a bit in there. Again, little tiny bit of external corrosion on the bolts, but nothing to get really too excited about. Moving up the side of the bodywork, there's a little nick just there, and a little bit of scratching on here, just underneath the badge and onto the badge there. Probably looks a little bit worse on the camera, but it is noticeable, to be fair. Come down on the gloss work, just a little nick there, and just a little tiny bit there. But again, you know, standing back from it, it's not horrendous. Coming down here, all the middle's in good order, all up together. There's no cracks or anything like that. Seats all nice. Going down the side, again on the exhaust, a couple of little marks on the exhaust cover itself, just one just there. Looking inside, all clean on side. New rear tyre. Come back on there, all good. Side casings this side, again, a couple of superficial marks just there. Suspension all good, and interior all good on there. Side panels all good, again no cracks or anything. Coming down the side here. The top panel, all good this side. Coming back down. And the wheel again, this side. Ends of the handlebars. And got marks there on the end of the mirrors. Looks like it's gone down a tight gate or something. So again, handlebars all good. We'll show you the dash in a minute when it's running. And to this side. And again, just on the end of the mirror, just there. So altogether, actually, it's quite a tidy example, to be fair. Looking down here, a little bit of wear on the seat button. So have a look inside there. Coming up. And there we go. That's all inside, all ready for storage. And then turn to the on position. There's the dashboard, 9,502 miles. We just started up. Nice and quiet. And there we go. So, price point, MMAX 125, TACMAX. By all means, give us a call, drop us an email, and we'll happily help you out with it. Thanks very much.